Did you know that certain seeds can pose significant health risks? While seeds are often hailed as nutritional powerhouses, packed with beneficial fats, fiber, and antioxidants, there's a darker side to some of them that isn't as widely known. It's critical to be well informed about what we're putting into our bodies, and that includes the seemingly innocent seeds we consume. Today, we're going to shine a light on this lesser-known facet of nutrition. We'll be discussing 4 specific seeds that, if eaten, can be harmful to your health. These aren't your everyday sunflower or pumpkin seeds, but rather seeds that are hiding in plain sight, concealed within the fruits we love. So, let's not beat around the bush any longer. After all, knowledge is power, and in this case, it could be a lifesaver. Let's delve into our list and discover these seeds you should avoid. First on our list is the apple seed. Now, these tiny kernels conceal a surprising secret. They harbor a naturally occurring poison, cyanide. While 1 or 2 seeds are unlikely to cause harm, frequently eating them or ingesting them in large quantities could have serious consequences. The cyanide in apple seeds can lead to dizziness, shortness of breath, and even seizures. So, when you're indulging in the crunchy sweetness of an apple, remember to save yourself the trouble and avoid the seeds. So enjoy your apples, but steer clear of the seeds. Next up, we have the bitter almond. Now, almonds come in 2 types, sweet and bitter. While sweet almonds are the ones you're likely familiar with and are perfectly safe to eat, their bitter counterparts are a different story. Bitter almonds contain a substance called amygdalin, which our bodies can convert into cyanide when ingested. Yes, cyanide, the poison. Because of their potential toxicity, bitter almonds are even illegal in some countries. So here's a tip. Stick to sweet almonds and leave the bitter ones alone. Third on our list are cherry pits. These little nuggets are more than just a nuisance to your taste buds. They've got a secret, cyanogenic compounds. When ingested, these compounds can release cyanide, a toxic substance. While accidentally swallowing a cherry pit once in a blue moon might not spell disaster, making a habit of it can be risky. The dangers lie in intentionally crunching and consuming them. So, when you're indulging in those sweet, juicy cherries, don't forget to enjoy cherries, but remember to spit out the pits. Last, but not least, we have peach pits. Now, these seemingly harmless stones at the heart of your favorite summer fruit have a secret. Just like apple seeds and cherry pits, peach pits also contain a compound known as amygdalin. When ingested, our bodies convert this substance into cyanide, a potent and deadly poison. It's worth noting that accidentally biting into a pit once or twice isn't likely to cause harm. However, intentionally eating them can lead to cyanide poisoning, which is a serious health risk. So, next time you're enjoying a juicy peach, remember to enjoy the sweet, succulent flesh, but steer clear of the pit. Savor the sweet flesh of peaches, but avoid the pits. Now that we've discussed the seeds to avoid, let's explore some safer alternatives. In our journey through the seed world, we've addressed the hidden dangers lurking in apple seeds, bitter almonds, cherry pits, and peach pits. We learned that these seeds, if consumed incorrectly, can release harmful substances. But fear not. There's a whole universe of seeds that are not only safe, but also rich in nutrients. Let's consider alternatives like chia seeds, loaded with antioxidants, or flax seeds, with their high fiber content. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of magnesium, while sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E. Each of these seeds brings a unique blend of nutrients to your diet. Remember, knowledge is the key to making healthier choices. Stay informed and eat wisely.